Hello everyone! I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of SmartAlbums. When you launch the application, you are greeted with the Project Manager window. Here, you can see any previous albums you've been working on, as well as view and manage gallery and slideshow projects stored on your account. Click on the New Project button and select the Album option to start designing a new album. A new window will pop up asking you to choose the desired album specifications for the project. Simply search for and select your album company from the list. Choose the album size and the album type. Once done, click on Next. Set the template library and appearance settings. This helps tailor the design experience based on your preferences of image ratios, spread background color, and the borders and gaps between your images. Once done selecting these, click Start. Once the project is launched, you can import images into the album in a few ways. You can either double-click the yellow plus sign to open your computer's file browser, or drag and drop images from the folder they are saved in directly into the image browser section at the bottom. To create a spread, simply select the images you'd like to use in that spread. Drag them onto the blank canvas, and SmartAlbums instantly creates a perfectly designed spread. To see the available layouts, go to the top of the spread, click on the arrows to view the next layout. To recrop any of the images, click on it and reposition it inside the frame to ensure that nothing important is cut off. To switch any of the images, just drag one image onto another. To design the next spread, select some more images from the image browser below and drop them onto the blank canvas. If you'd like to fine-tune the layout, double-click on the spread to enter the designer view. Here, you can customize the layout in a few different ways. You can reposition the images and resize them. To add new images to the design, simply drag your images from the image browser at the bottom onto the spread. You can also add text, change the opacity of the images, add borders, and add rounded corners to your image frames. Once you are satisfied with the design, you can save it by clicking on Save as Template. This layout is now saved in the template library and can be used again at any time. Finally, click Back to return to the main view and continue designing the album. Once the album is complete, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Once the album is finalized and ready for printing, choose either the For Printing option or the Order Album option. When you click on the Export for Print button, SmartAlbums will export the files to your computer in the exact format that the print lab requires. You can be sure that the album will be printed accurately and error-free. When you choose the Start Order button under Order Album, you'll be sending the album directly to the chosen lab for printing. This will upload your designed spreads and open a new web page on your browser with your album order options and details. Here, you'll be able to see how the album will look once printed. Next, you'll choose your cover type, material, color, and preferred paper option. You can also add cover upgrades, a presentation box, extra copies, and debossing features. If you need your order rushed or have special instructions for your order, you can specify those here as well. Once you've made your selections, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to input your shipping information and check the album summary on the right side of the web page. Once you confirm that everything is okay, click on Checkout. In the Checkout page, you'll be able to see the total amount of the order, and you'll just need to fill in your payment method information and click on Pay. Once done, you'll receive an order confirmation both on-screen and via email. We are continuously adding support for more direct album order labs, so you can keep an eye on whether your lab is supported. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@smartalbums.com.